Andrew with Painless here. Today we're going to go over our Pro Series line and the features and benefits you can expect with it. So with our Pro Series harness, we offer it in two different options. We either give you a 12 fuse 23 circuit or an 18 fuse 25 circuit. With the 25 circuit, we'll go ahead and do power windows, power locks, and a few other options for you. We offer this harness either with a factory GM style bulkhead connector that'll utilize the 68 and up GM bulkhead, or if you're wanting to smooth your firewall, we also offer it with a grommet so you can pass the wiring kind of wherever you want to and keep it as hidden as possible. One of the main benefits of our Pro Series wiring line over one of our direct fit harnesses is we leave all the wiring open-ended. We give you extra length wire, and this allows you to custom route, tuck away, and hide the wiring exactly how you choose. Then when you get to the wire end, you simply cut the wires and terminate with the provided terminals and connectors that we give you. This makes it really easy to do a custom Pro Touring car or even any of the 60s, 70s, and some of the 80s GM vehicles. This harness features all new modern bladed fuses, so you're getting rid of all the old glass style fuses. And one nice thing is these are LED smart fuses, so if you ever pop one, you just look up under your dash, you can quickly identify whatever happened there. We also include a 6-gauge charge wire and alternator kit with a MIDI fuse, so the MIDI fuse will keep the system protected, and with that 6-gauge charge wire, we'll be able to handle any of the high amperage alternators you'll throw at it. Another benefit of this harness is while it is open-ended, we group it into sections so you know what needs to run to the headlights, tail lights, interior section, engine, and so forth. Also, all the wiring is printed on it exactly what it needs to do, so you know where that wire started, where it's going, and you can also identify it in the installation manual for a quick reference. Makes it really easy to install. Included with our Pro Series line is a 120 plus page installation manual. It's going to be full color, it's a bound book, and it'll cover everything you need to know, different alternators, headlight switches, ignition switches, and so forth. One thing with the Pro Series is we'll give you a ton of the factory style connectors and terminals. So you get GM turn signal switch, headlight, you get a factory style printed circuit board connector if you're using factory gauges and not going aftermarket at this point. Give you all the factory style terminals that it used as well. As with wiring any car, grounds are going to be one of the biggest things you want to make sure you get right. We go ahead and include ground straps, make that real simple, as well as a front and rear turn signal ground kit. With these kits, we give you an assorted terminal kit, and one nice thing for any splicing you may have to do, we give you non-insulated butt splice connectors, but then we give you mastic heat shrink. And with the mastic heat shrink, when you heat it up, there's a glue in there, and it creates a perfectly watertight seal. If you ever run into any snags and you're maybe not sure on something, you can give our tech line a call at 1-800-423-9696. You'll get one of our guys in Fort Worth here that have a lot of knowledge wiring, and we'll get you walked through it. For more information on the Pro Series line and any of our other products, simply visit our website at painlessperformance.com.